Yeah, black feet, just imagine the way I got blue pants till a hoe just checked GTA when I'm up.
Hello guys. Today we are going to learn how to do vtubing on Linux without Discord. First of all, open up the terminal. Install the packages gcc make lib-sdl dev lib-sdl image dev and libsound2dev. Now that we have our build environment set up, we are gonna clone the repo. Delete the images in the resources folder and replace them with your own ones. I am gonna use shirt to pull up two placeholder images real quick. Now get the resolution of your image and set window height and width accordingly. Run make in the project folder to compile it. That's it, now you should be able to run the app by running /game. Use X window capture in OBS to stream it.